Welcome back to our channel. Finding the right investment opportunity can be a daunting task, but you're in the right place. This is Sufyan Ghani Means Business, and today I'm here to guide you through the lucrative textile sector of Pakistan, an industry brimming with potential and opportunity. In just a few minutes, you'll discover why investing here could be your next smart move. Global ranking. Pakistan stands as the 9th largest exporter of textile products in the world. Cotton production. It is the 5th largest cotton producer, boasting an abundant raw material supply. Economic contribution. The textile sector contributes nearly 25% of industrial value-added products, supporting about 40% of the industrial workforce. Major hubs. Key industrial activity is concentrated in Karachi, Faisalabad, and Lahore, making this sector ripe for growth. The global textile market, valued at $1 trillion in 2020, is projected to reach $1.5 trillion by 2027, growing at a CAGR of 4.3%. This growth presents an unmatched opportunity for investors looking to tap into a lucrative and expanding market. Recently, textile exports surged 19.2% to $1.407 billion compared to last year, demonstrating resilience amid challenges. Despite a slight year-to-date decline, the sector is well-positioned for recovery and growth, driven by strategic government initiatives. Substantial economic contribution. The textile industry accounts for 60% of national exports, making it a cornerstone of Pakistan's economy. Government incentives. With a supportive textile policy offering tax concessions, now is the perfect time to invest. Integrated supply chain. Pakistan has a fully integrated supply chain, from fiber to fabric, which reduces costs and increases efficiency for investors. Since gaining GSP Plus status, Pakistan enjoys duty-free access to the EU market, providing a 10 to 14% competitive edge over major competitors like China and India. An expanding urban population is driving demand for quality textiles and branded apparel, creating fertile ground for investment. The market is also home to a vibrant mix of local and international brands, ripe for innovation and growth. Looking ahead, the government prioritizes industry support for modernizing and expanding production capabilities, with a focus on small and medium enterprises. Measures are being taken to ensure a fair competition environment, enhancing investor confidence. The textile sector in Pakistan isn't just an industry, it's a powerful growth engine ready to propel investors toward success. With government support, a strategic advantage in global markets, and ever-growing demand, now is the perfect time to invest. If you're excited about this opportunity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into investing in Pakistan's vibrant sectors.